in the Usborne Start cookbook, and we're making sandwiches for our field trip tomorrow. So Ella has prepared one sandwich already, and now she's going to prepare the second sandwich. Ella, what do you need?
So we need some chocolate spread, and we need 2 slices of bread and half of a banana. First I'm going to slice up the banana. So I hold on to it, and when it gets closer to my hand, then I move it farther. So when it gets
slow and controlled.
So now that it's close to my hand, I'm going to move my hand back a little bit more. And then we cut it like that.
Yeah, because we don't like blood in our chocolate banana sandwiches, do we? Okay, what do we do? Are we putting it back in now? Alright, so you prepare the banana, the half a banana you slice up. What do you do next with this?
And then you grab the bread.
God bless you.
This, and you scoop it out. Or is that too much?
That's alright.
Okay, I'll just
take this to catch. There we go.
That
So now take your, take your utensil here.
You grab this and you get it all the way out.
You'll see throughout these videos we have a decent amount of Pampered Chef tools from our wedding shower. Our family got us, they hooked us up. We have so many fun things. Be sure to get it on the bread.
And then you put it like that, and then you spread it with this.
Sorry.
It's okay if you get a little bit on the cutting board. Just make sure that you clean it off after.
Yeah, we'll look at clean later.
Why like it clean?
Because you don't want to waste that chocolate spread.
Okay.
She's feeling a little serious this morning. We had a long night. Did you have fun watching Riverdance?
Yeah.
It was so
I
fun.
saw my friend watching Riverdance last night. We did.
It's pretty
I
cool.
felt like it was just that Riverdance was just all night.
It was 2.5 hours long. It was pretty cool. Alright, so now we've got that on. What do we do with the bananas now?
Now we put the bananas on. We need to make sure that there's not too much of the bananas.
Not too much. Is that a thing?
So I'm just
You gonna count? 1, 2, 3. What? That's your sandwich. Here, use the umbrella cloth.
I'm making it just 2 sandwiches, because we're just gonna cut it in half.
Yeah, we have some other things to add to these sandwiches tomorrow for our lunch, right?
Yeah.
We're going to the wilderness station for our field trip, right?
Yeah.
You have 2 classes. It's pretty fun.
Why 2 classes?
Because I'm just going to keep you busy. I know, it's really hard not to, huh? Here we go.
That's not too much.
Sure, it's not too much. Here, I'm going to squeeze them together. Do you? What are you going to do with the leftover banana? Now what?
And now we're going to spread some more on the other half.
This isn't in the book. We're going rogue. Right? The instructions said there's several different sandwiches here. We have a cheese and coleslaw filling, tuna mayonnaise filling, BLT filling, cheese and cucumber filling, chicken and pesto filling. Bring the bread over. Yep, that's a little more generous than the last one. Let's not get all of it out, but we'll get some of it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on, Abigail. We have a carrot and raisin filling.
It was spread just like the other one.
Which sounded pretty tasty to me. And egg and mayonnaise, and then the banana and chocolate filling. And it called for half a banana and a tablespoon of chocolate spread, right? Yeah. And so we'll go ahead and spread this on, put it on. The book made sure to explain to the kids how to match up the bread pieces so that you don't have a funny lopsided sandwich that doesn't stay together. And then we'll enjoy it tomorrow. I'll let you know what you think. Thanks, guys. Bye.